What's up, gig workers? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys making lots of money. And if you're not a gig workers, join the team. So today I'll be working Uber Eats and DoorDash from 11:15 a.m. to 1:15 p.m. So come along for the ride. Hit that subscribe button down below if you want to watch more video of different kind of gig apps. And stick around to the end because I'll do the breakdown of the tips and how much I make per hour. All that said, let's go make some money. So the time is 11:13. I'm just gonna log in Uber Eats. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Make some money. And it just starts snowing. So its first orders from DoorDash, $10, 5.9 kilometers. And the Popeyes, right next door. I'll accept that. Lovely, lovely, nice one. Nice one, nice one, nice one. Grab that food from Popeyes. That was really fast pickup. And customer is 8 minutes away, 5.7 kilometers. So let's go drop it off. The white stuff start to come down a lot now. Lots of white stuff from the sky. DoorDash, 15 kilometers, $12. Oh no, thank you. Decline. Distance too far. So this is DoorDash again, $9, 3 kilometers. I'll take that for sure. Pick up that order from Subway. Customer's 2 minutes away, 700 meters. Alright, let's head over there. Drop off the customer food. It's snowing, so they're probably really hungry. I don't know. Maybe the snow caused them to get hungry. Base pay $6, customer tip $3. This is DoorDash, $10, 12 kilometers. No thank you. This is DoorDash again, 5.1 kilometers, $8. Okay, I'll grab that. That's 5 kilometers, not bad. That's 6 minutes away. Time is 12:18. I'm at $27 with DoorDash, $0 with Uber Eats, $8, 5.1 kilometers, and it's DoorDash. So I have to go to Little Caesars, 5 minutes away. I have to drive 6 minutes, 2.5 kilometers to drop off the Little Caesars. So let's head there. Okay, it's snowing like crazy. Base pay $6, customer tip $2. This is DoorDash, $12, 12 kilometers. I'll decline that. So this is DoorDash, $11, 5 kilometers. Woohoo! Thank you, thank you, thank you. So far it's all DoorDash. I got one with Uber Eats now. $5.44, 4.1 kilometers. No, thank you. I'm not gonna take that. I already have a better one with DoorDash. I'll let the timer run out. Let it think that you missed the call, missed the order. Pick up the food from Popeyes. Let's see how far this customer lived. 10 minutes away. Okay, let's go drop that off really fast. Let's go. So that was my last delivery, $46 with DoorDash, and the time is 1:16. So that's the end of my shift, 2 hours only. And thank you guys for watching. If you made it this far, hit that subscribe button down below. And stay tuned for the summary. It's just going to be a short one because it's just DoorDash only. So hello guys, welcome back, and this is a summary. I had 5 delivery with DoorDash and 0 delivery with Uber Eats. I'll start from the bottom. Base pay is $6, customer tip $4. Second one. Base pay is $6, customer tip $3. Third one. Base pay is $6, customer tip $2. Fourth. Base pay is $6, customer tip $2. And the fifth and final one. Base pay is $6, customer tip $5. That's a good tip. Thank you, customer. Active time was 1 hour and 22 minutes. Dash time was 2 hours and 4 minutes. So $46 with DoorDash minus $4 for gas give us $42 divided by 2 hours, $21 per hour. Awesome. Nice wage. So it's always snowing for the past few days, and it's gonna be like this for the winter. And the winter time is where you make most of the money. So I wish you guys all the best, safe driving, and all the best of making more money. So thank you for watching the video. If you made it this far, hit that subscribe button down below. Stay healthy, stay wealthy. Peace out.